Walk like an Egyptian. Oh, wait a second. I'm not talking about that pyramid. I'm talking about the food pyramid. And you're going to score the best deals in every single category because we get the grocery ads first.
We'll start at the top of the pyramid. We're headed to Fry's for more than half off soda. 2 liters of 7-Up, Pepsi, and Coke are on sale for 77 cents each, but you must buy them in multiples of 5 to get the deal. Moving down, the best price we found on 80% lean ground beef is at Safeway for $1.97 per pound. Prefer pork? Shop at Bash's' for their lightning sale on Friday and get pork loin for $1.67 per pound. And for chicken, Food City has drumsticks or thighs on sale for 47 cents per pound, but only on Thursday. You'll have no problem getting your fruit servings because if you shop Bash's', you'll get 6 ounces of blackberries for just 75 cents. Shop their lightning sale on Friday and get 3-pound bags of Fuji or red apples for 97 cents each. Screamin' deal! For the biggest group in the pyramid, we're starting at Albertsons in their Clip or Click section. Load up on Kellogg's cereal and Quaker granola bars because you'll pay $1.49 each. It ends up being the same price at Bash's' with their Buy 4 and Save deal. You can actually mix and match. So add Life, Captain Crunch cereals, and Quaker granola bars to your basket and pay $1.49 each. Again, if you buy 4 of the participating items. So what are you looking to buy? There are so many good deals and we have them all at abc15.com/smartshopper.
So we tried to narrow it down just to give you the best of the best, but there are so many more than what we put in that package.
That's a good thing.
Yes. So we have them all online for you. And also just a quick reminder, today is senior discount day at Fry's, Bash's', Safeway, and Albertsons.
Wow.
So that means if you're 55 or older, you're going to get 10% off.
Almost all grocery stores across the valley.
Yeah, almost all of them.
Love it.
Cool.